Have you ever been taking a test and realized how irrelevant and pointless that test may be? I know I have many times, a lot. I've always thought a test for any class was inaccurate and really just a poor way of showing a student's intelligence. My credibility goes to my own personal opinion and the research I did. Today I'm going to talk about why I believe tests are pointless and inaccurate. According to the Room 241 Teams article, do standardized tests show an accurate weight of students' abilities? People against standardized testing say teaching to the test curriculum undermine innovation and critical thinking. With many things relying on results, teachers focus more on math, reading, and writing, which can lead to the neglect of other subjects such as sciences, social studies, and different types of arts. So are standardized tests really benefiting any student? If standardized tests are pointless, then what's the point in having them? According to Marissa Engelman's article, standardized testing is ineffective. There are some subjects such as literature and poetry that shouldn't be tested because everybody interprets the pieces differently. There are some subjects that shouldn't even be tested on. The Committee on Incentives and Test-Based Accountability in Public Education at the National Research Council states that after the No Child Left Behind passed in 2002, the U.S. slipped from 18th in the world in math on the Program for International Student Assessment to 31st place in 2009, with a similar drop in science and no change in reading. Crystal Airy's article, 16 Biggest Pros and Cons of Standardized Testing, states that standardized testing only provides a one-day evaluation for a student. For example, if a student had a bad morning or something happened the day before or right beforehand, it would affect and cause disruption and would then show on the test within the same day. In conclusion, standardized tests can be highly inaccurate and not show the full potential of a student because they only focus on one thing rather than focusing on every subject, along with testing on things that people interpret differently. Today, in my opinion, teaching itself is very flawed when it comes to testing because of the sheer neglect of some major subjects, and hopefully one day that will be fixed for future generations because they are going to need it.